best combination around.
Emily
And Alexander, really quite a pair. Wherever there's adventure, you'll find these two cousins there. We like to visit relatives.
Oh, and making friends is fun.
Yep, excitement seems to find us whenever we do either one. Evil rats are all around.
So trouble soon begins.
We just put our heads together. In the end, we always win. Country mouse and city mouse, we're really quite a pair. Wherever there's adventure, you'll find these two cousins there. Country mouse and city mouse.
Oh, Alexander, this is so exciting. We're going to the very first London to Paris air race.
Planes from all over the world will be participating.
I hope Cousin Gaston remembers we're coming.
I wonder how we'll know where to meet him.
Emily! Alexander! Come on up!
Let's go, Alexander. Woo!
Hold on!
I am!
Here, Alexander.
Cousins, you will soon witness the very first London to Paris air race in which I, Gaston, will win first prize, a round of camembert cheese.
Delicious! We can't wait!
A perfect landing if I do say so myself.
And a memorable flight, Gaston.
Come, there is someone I want you to meet. This is Carol. And Carol, this is Emily and Alexander.
Hello, nice to meet you.
Carol is a great mechanic. She helped her father build this magnificent flying machine.
Gaston, I'm having a little trouble with the engine.
Being a mouse does come in handy. Oh, let me see. Ah, yes! I see the problem.
Right this way, Reginald. Carol, this is Reginald Wimpley. He'll be flying our plane for the big race.
But I thought you were flying our plane, Dad.
Yes, I know. But our chances are much better with an expert pilot.
Gaston! Gaston!
Finished!
You certainly will be finished if you don't get out of there right this minute.
I am the world's greatest pilot. The race is as good as won. But first, a test flight.
My plane!
Contact.
Hurry, Gaston!
It works perfectly. Good work, Carol.
Their pilot's really good.
We've lost the wheels. How will we land the plane?
Reginald, are you all right?
Only I, the great Reginald, could land a plane with no wheels. Hey, these marks were made by a wrench. Someone loosened the wheels on purpose. Your plane was sabotaged.
Who would do such a thing?
I must say that's a darn shame. Allow me to introduce myself. The name is J.W. Hollinger, millionaire, pilot, and the inventor of the greatest flying machine in the history of aviation. Yes, sir. Tomorrow, my plane is gonna win this race. As for that thing, Well, I'd be surprised if it gets off the ground.
Oh, really?
Yes, really.
We'll fix our plane. You'll see.
Where are we going now, Gaston?
Hold on!
Gaston, watch out!
I must give the secret password. It is me, Gaston! Huh?
Great flying, Gaston!
And here are the flying machines for the first London to Paris mouse and rat race.
Rats? But they'll spoil everything.
Remember, Alexander, the Rat brothers were the inventors of one of the first flying machines.
I suppose you're right.
I can't believe it! Emily and Alexander, my two sworn enemies, here for the air race? Ugh, can't I go anywhere without running into them? With this disguise, though, they won't recognize me until it's too late.
Oh, ouch! Who's that, Gaston?
That's the dreaded Fentley Burbick, the meanest rat aviator to ever crawl into a cockpit.
I'm sure I've seen that rat somewhere before.
What are you staring at? Haven't you ever seen a magnificent rat and his flying machine before?
Well, to be quite honest, I never have, but you look awfully familiar. Have we met?
Impossible. My name is Fentley Burbick, and I'm not from these parts.
Neither am I, Mr. Burbick. My cousin Alexander and I came here from America to watch our cousin Gaston.
Did I ask where you were from? I don't think so.
Come on, Emily. Don't waste your breath making conversation with this rude rat.
I'm gonna win this race no matter what it takes. And I'm gonna see to it that your cousin's plane never finishes. Why else do they call me? No tail, no good Nick. Well, besides that.
It's time for everyone to take a test flight. Emily, would you like to go on a little test run?
I'd love to. Where's Alexander?
Sunflower seeds. Delicious roasted. Served with a bit of sparkling apple juice.
We must start. We will come back for Alexander.
Where did everybody go? Oh, Gaston! Care for another passenger? Stop the plane! Stop the plane!
Alexander, it's all right.
What's that?
I don't know. Something is wrong. Phew. We almost did not make it. Aha! Just as I thought.
What is it, Gaston? Someone's coming.
I was on my way to visit you when I saw your plane, Gaston. You almost crashed. What happened?
Someone cut the fuel line.
Sabotage.
Somebody tried to sabotage my plane, too. Our wheel supports were loosened.
I didn't know aviation was such a cutthroat business.
I'll help fix your plane, Gaston.
We'll help too. We don't mind getting our paws dirty once in a while.
Speak for yourself.
Drat! How is a devious rat supposed to get any sabotaging done around here with all this meddling? Ugh.
What an interesting contraption.
Balloons filled with helium keep the plane afloat. It's clever, but not very fast.
Helium-filled balloons, you say?
Uh-oh. Whenever Emily gets that look in her eye, it means trouble for someone.
Whoever sabotaged Gaston's plane may try again, and I think we should be ready for it.
Shoo! Shoo, cat! Huh. Mr. Havinger, you startled me, chum.
Reginald, my boy, I was thinking. It's high time y'all joined the winning team.
This time, I'll fix it so that plane goes down with those meddling mice in it. Oh, these fake tails are worthless.
That rat has a fake tail.
You're right, and I only know one tailless rat.
No tail, no good, Nick. The sneakiest rat in the world.
And there's one mouse he hates more than any other mouse in the world.
You? Me? Let's go.
So many flying machines in so little time. Well, I might as well start with this one.
Hold it! What are you doing here?
I was about to fix my plane.
That's your plane.
My goodness, you're right. My eyesight must be going. I suppose it's time I got a monocle for the other eye. I'll go look into that right away.
Not so fast. No tail.
Jeez Louise, I've been found out! Ouch! How'd she recognize me through my brilliant disguise? Oh, what's this? Cheese? What luck.
Hello, No Tail. And goodbye, No Tail.
You no-good country mouse and city mouse! I'll get you for this! You haven't seen the last of No Tail, no good Nick!
Bon voyage, No Tail. I love flying. Now I know exactly how the birds feel.
What was that?
Just loosen these bolts here. This ought to keep Lewis's flying contraption from going anywhere tomorrow.
Oh no! We have to warn Carol before someone tries to fly her plane. We have to get out of here and warn Carol.
But, we're stuck.
There, kitty, don't worry. This time tomorrow, we'll be in the winner's circle.
Everything's ready for the race. Where's Reginald?
Here comes your pilot now, Dad.
Lewis, we have to talk.
Change your plans, pal. Reginald's flying with me today.
It was a business decision.
Drat! That's it. We have to withdraw from the race.
But, Dad, why don't you fly instead?
Me? No, that's impossible. I'm no match for Reginald Wimpley's flying skills.
Maybe you're not, but together we are.
Then what are we waiting for? Let's go!
Emily? Alexander!
Gaston! Gaston, is that you?
Emily, it is me. Where are you?
We're inside the bucket.
But what are you doing in there?
It's a long story. Get us out, Gaston!
Very well. Do not move. I will be back.
Something wrong, old sport?
That's the biggest darn mosquito I've ever seen.
Ladies and gentlemen, the race is about to begin!
Gaston, we saw J.W. Howinger sabotage Carol's plane. If we don't get to her in time, they'll crash.
Carol and her father are in danger? Oh no, we are too late. The race is starting. Come on.
Faster! Faster!
Oh dear.
Thank goodness!
Hang on, Emily!
Hold on, everybody. Allez-hop.
Gaston, we're going the wrong way!
Not for long. Gaston, you're in the lead. I'm the only one left in the race. All I have to do is reach Paris and win the race and the cheese.
Forget the cheese, Gaston! We have to save Carol!
Of course, how could I forget?
Well, I'll be. They're still flying. I'll have to do something about that.
Blimey, we're about to cross the English Channel.
That tail is gonna be fixing to burst. Why don't I help it along?
Careful, you!
Now, just a moment. I'll have no part of this.
An abandoned ship, boy. This is my flying machine, and in my machine, you do as I say. Going down.
Dad, what are they doing?
I say, what do you think you're doing?
I'm winning the race, boy.
Not by cheating, you're not.
Hey, let go.
I may be greedy, but I won't win this way.
Hold on, Carol! This one's gonna be close!
Why, you and you. You'll pay for this, Reginald. I'll make sure you never race again.
Howinger, you're all wet.
We did it, Carol! We did it!
Oh no! You pilot, Dad. I'll fix the tail.
Carol! We are coming in for a landing.
Gaston, we will never be able to land with this broken tail.
There are too many pieces missing. I do not think we can fix it.
Oh, yes, we can. We'll simply have to make do with what we have. And with a little help.
Gaston, your plane.
Do not worry about my plane, Carol. I cannot believe I'm doing this. 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 We are missing a bolt here.
Replacement bolt!
And the replacement tail flap here.
That should hold it.
The tail is fixed, Dad.
And just in time! Here comes the Eiffel Tower!
Congratulations!
Thank you. Thank you.
Come with me. The finish line for the mouse race is over here.
Unfortunately, we regret to announce there is no winner.
Oh. Well, I did not finish the race, but at least we helped Carol win.
Wait! There is a winner!
Ha! Double ha! I said I'd win, and I did.
Here is your first prize. Congratulations! The world-famous Camembert cheese.
Take that, Emily and Alexander.
There he is, officer. His name is No Tail No Goodnick, international jewel thief, catnapper, and all-around dirty rat. He sabotaged the mouse planes.
It's my cheese. I want it unfair and square. Oh, no, you don't. My cheese. I'll be back. Mark my words, I'll get you for this.
My, wasn't it nice of Mr. No Goodnick to contribute his nice round of camembert? Here's to another successful adventure. You know, Alexander, memories last a lifetime.
Yes. But wouldn't it be nice if the same could be said for cheese?